beautiful sun rays, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting tutorial for all of my coffee lovers out there. I'll be showing you how to make a delectable latte macchiato using my Nespresso original line machine. Let's not waste any time, we'll dive right into it. Before we get started, let's quickly go through the equipment you'll need for this recipe. Make sure you have your Nespresso original line machine, a Nespresso milk frother, a glass, a stainless steel spoon, and your favorite Nespresso coffee capsules. Y'all, I also used some salted caramel Tirani syrup just for, flavor. Now that we're all set, let's move on to our step-by-step guide. The first step you'll need is to fill your Nespresso machine's water tank and ensure it's properly connected. This will ensure a smooth brewing process. While your Nespresso machine is warming up, let's prepare our milk. Take your Nespresso milk frother and fill it with fresh cold milk. Y'all, my favorite milk is Organic Valley's 2%. It's always in the house. It is definitely a staple. Close your lid, place it on the base, and start the button and let the milk frother do what the milk frother do. And now we're going to select our favorite Nespresso coffee capsule. Today I will be using the Chiaro Nespresso blend. You guys, this is one of my favorites, that little light tan capsule down there. It's actually definitely one of my favorites, but it is very light. It's whenever you look at their scale of like from light to bold, it is at the very far end of very light. That is the one that I use. It has a natural like caramel and sweet biscuit note that comes out whenever you combine it with milk. It's delicious. If you're looking for flavor, that's it. But if you're looking for boldness, you definitely want to go with a different blend. I definitely add my Tirani syrup first, and then you'll add your frothed milk slowly. Y'all, my Nespresso milk frother is so awesome. You can definitely do frothed milk or steamed milk in here easily. For this recipe, you're going to use the steamed milk option. I do not show you the differences in the attachments that come for froth versus steamed, but in my other Nespresso machine video that I am working on right now, I will show you the differences in your frother. Okay, so just know you can either do frothed or steamed. You want the steamed option for the latte macchiato because it's going to give you mostly steamed milk and then a little bit of frothed milk on the top. Now for this recipe, let me just put it like this. Typically, I would have used both capsules, but for aesthetic purposes and for the sake of this instructional, I opted to just use the one, but I did take out two because once the camera turns off, I'm going to add that extra shot of espresso because like I told you, that Chiaro is delicious, but it's very light, you guys. What's very beautiful about a latte macchiato is how the layers work with espresso to milk. So you're going to go ahead and add your milk first to the base of your glass, and then go ahead and pop your espresso into your Nespresso original line machine and allow the machine to do the rest of the work. Y'all, if you were going to make this by hand, I feel like, or not by hand, but if you were going to make this the long way, you would have poured your milk over a spoon, over the back of your metal spoon, so that you would keep the froth, if that makes sense, at the top, And then you'd add your espresso into the glass and then put the froth on top of the espresso. And you still would have had that beautiful layering effect. But with your Nespresso machine, it's going to do it for you. Look how beautiful this is. Because you've already added the milk, the froth will stay on top, the steamed milk will stay on the bottom, and it's just going to fill it up ever so slightly so that you still have enough room for your final touch, if there's a final touch. For my final touch, I'm going to add a little bit of caramel, and that's it. Now you can take a moment and appreciate the beautiful layers. To garnish our latte macchiato, I'm going to drizzle a little caramel over the top. It's going to add a delightful aroma and enhance the visual appeal of my drink. And there you have it, a perfectly crafted and Instagram-worthy latte macchiato made with my Nespresso original wine machine. It's a treat for both my eyes and my taste buds. Y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna keep going through all of my machines because people have asked for these things, but I do need to keep it simple because, you know, this is probably my second cup today. Have a beautiful week, you guys. Bye.